Prepare to embark on a journey of precision marketing where location becomes your most important ally. Here's 3 simple hacks. Hack number 1, the power of pinpointing. Use geotargeting to focus your ads on specific regions, cities, or even neighborhoods. This laser-focused approach ensures your message reaches the right audience, maximizing relevance and engagement. Hack number 2, local events and promotions. Leverage geotargeting to promote location-based events or limited time offers. You'll capture the hearts of local customers and create a buzz within the community. Hack number 3, measuring success. Use location-based data to analyze the performance of your campaigns. Tailor your strategies based on real-time data, ensuring your ads resonate with the unique preferences of each location. Now you hold the key to unlocking geotargeting secrets, igniting your Google ads with unparalleled precision. Thanks for watching, subscribe and follow for more.